Let me show you a great PowerPoint trick. To make this beautiful slide, watch the video till the end. Then you will be an expert. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device, and I have to insert a picture from my computer. Let me select this picture and click on Insert. Go to Crop, go to Aspect Ratio and make it 16:9 and click on Outside. And make sure it covers the whole slide. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it also covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill and select a fill color. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick an oval shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this. And make the size to 1.65. Place it over here, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here and again press Ctrl D to duplicate. Now select these three, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Outline and make it no outline. Now let me press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here and doing the same task for 4 times. Now I have to rearrange the shape. Let me hold down the Shift key, reduce the size. This is looking beautiful. Let me select all of this oval shape, hold down the Ctrl key and select the rectangle, go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and click on Combine. Select this shape, go to Shape Fill and make it white fill color. And click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Effect, go to Shadow. From Preset, select the offset bottom right and change the transparency to 0% and change the blur to 25 point. And this is looking very good. Now go to Home, go to Select, go to Selection pane and select the picture. Then go to Animation, go to Add Animation and under the Motion Path Animation click on Lines. And from the Effect option make it to right. And click on the Animation pane, click on over here, go to Effect option, click on Auto Reverse, go to Timing and change the timing to 5 seconds and click on Until End of the slide and click on OK. Now I have to add some text. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here, right here the, change the font to the bold font, increase the font size and increase the spacing, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here, right here Forest, increase the size, change the size of the, select the text, go to Shape Format, go to Text Fill, go to More Gradient, go to Gradient Fill. From the Effect option select this one, from the Direction select this one, delete this stops, select this stops, go to eyedropper and select this color and go to this stops, go to eyedropper and select this color. And this is looking beautiful. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it over here, right here slide and change the font to Lemon Milk and place it over here. Now select this 3 text box, place it over here, go to Animation, click on Fly In. From the Effect option click on From Left, change the duration to 2 seconds, go to Animation pane, select this 3 and go to Effect option and increase the bounce in. Click on OK and let me make it with previous. Now here I have everything is ready. Let me watch the slideshow. You will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.